Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be learning how to write capital and lowercase L. So on the left side, we have capital L, or you can call it big L. And on the right side, we have lowercase l, or you can call it little l. So let's get started on how to make capital L first. So with capital L, we're going to start off by making a straight line going down. And now at the bottom of our straight line, we're going to make another straight line, but this line is going to be going across. And here we have capital L. Let's go ahead and make capital L one more time together. So we're going to start off by making a straight line going down. And then at the bottom of our straight line, we're going to make another straight line going across. And here we have capital L once again. Now let's move on and make lowercase l. So for lowercase l, all we're going to do is make a straight line going down. And here we have lowercase l. Let's go ahead and make lowercase l one more time together, TTC family. So for lowercase l, we're just making a nice straight line going down. And here we have lowercase l. Nice job. Nice job, TTC family, for learning how to make capital L and then also lowercase l. So I want you to pat yourself on the back because you guys did a phenomenal job. Nice job. So now it's time to tell Miss T. So in the comment section below, with an adult, I want you to think of a word that starts with the letter L and leave it in the comment section below. So go ahead, think of a word that starts with the letter L and put it in the comment section below. All right, TTC family, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.